Hi everyone, it's that time of year when we're just hit by stomach bug, after colds, after flu virus, after who knows what's coming down the pipe. If you've had some issues with sickness and your voice is feeling raw, tired, you've lost some of your vocal range, then I'm going to give you a vocal workout here with some gentle exercises that will help you just ease back into singing without any tension, without any pushing, without any difficult vocal leaps or anything that will cause you any excess strain in your voice. As always, practice with a purpose in mind. Don't just go to blindly sing any old vocal exercise. You always want to have a strategy for your practice sessions and your vocal warm-ups. So in this case, we're just rehabilitating our voices, easing back into singing, and getting ourselves comfortable with vocalizing again. I'm just going to start out here with a nice gentle hum. And I'm going to open to a vowel. Ma. Nice and gentle and easy. Ma. Ma. Switch to oo. Switch to O. Now that's probably about as high as you want to take it if you're just coming out of a cold or a sore throat or you haven't been singing for a few weeks. I generally start to lose part of my upper register and lower register after I've been sick for a while, or even that can happen just from not singing for a while. So don't push it too hard. Gently stretch to the point of comfort the first few days of singing. Don't overextend yourself or push yourself too hard. Now we're going to engage our core muscles, remind ourselves what it feels like to engage our abs, and we're going to do some two-note slurs, like this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Try with me. Tall vowel. Make sure you have consistent airflow. So I'm taking a big sip of air, only what I need though, not too much. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Switch to ah. Ah, ah, ah. Keeping it tall and open. Ah, ah, ah. Switch to oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. E, 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 e. E, e, e. Next up, we just want to get the voice moving again. So let's do an easy agility exercise. Okay, if everything's still feeling comfortable and you want to keep vocalizing a little bit longer, now let's start working on some of our tonal coloring and working on some of our mix. So I'm going to rely on my speaking voice here. I'm going to say, that's mine. It's bright pharyngeal resonance. I'm feeling it close toward the front of my face. Some people call this forward placement. That's mine. Technical term is pharyngeal resonance. You're just using your resonating cavities at the front of your face. And here we go singing. That's mine. 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 Again, I'm not pushing anything drastic with the range. I'm just keeping it gentle in a small central range just reactivating, reminding myself what it feels like to sing in these areas. Everything's feeling good. Let's check in a bit with the chest voice. Hey now, hey now. Feel it drop down, resonate in your chest. You might feel a little vibration here. Hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. Okay, and now I'm going to check in with my upper register. I'm going to do light staccato singing so that I don't push anything too hard. Let's start at about an A4. Just lightly touching each note. Okay, I've reviewed my entire vocal range now, but just within the smaller parameters. I haven't extended that beyond what I'm comfortable singing with a sick voice. One more exercise just to get the voice moving a little more. Let's do a pulsing vibrato exercise. Let the voice spin and flow with the breath. Last but not least, as a cool down, let's do a nice lip trill or tongue trill. Pick whatever feels better for you. And we'll just do some gentle glides through the middle of our range again. Engage those ab muscles. Better soon. Take it easy, gently ease yourself into singing over the next few days, and go easy on yourself. It's hard to recover from being sick. If you like this video, please subscribe for future vocal workouts and check out my channel for other related videos. Bye.